Welcome to this how-to video. Today we'll discuss how to schedule a report in EBSCOadmin. This allows you to distribute EBSCO usage reports through a link emailed to yourself and others on a routine cadence. Start by logging in with your EBSCOadmin credentials at eadmin.ebscohost.com. Then click Reports and Statistics in the navigation bar. Identify the kind of report you want to schedule. In this example, we'll schedule a counter report. Select your report type from the drop-down menu. Review and adjust any report parameters. This will vary by report category and type. Then, scroll down and select Email in the export options to schedule the report. Enter the recipients in the email address field, separated by commas. Select your cadence. We will select quarterly here. Indicate how many months to include in the report. Last 1 month gives you the most recent data, for example. Or you can get a rolling period to include comparable usage data in the same report. Indicate when the schedule report should kick off and when it should expire for you to review and reschedule if needed. Select your preferred format and click Email Report. Congratulations! You now know how to schedule a report in EBSCOadmin Reports and Statistics.